Morning everyone, I am Saurav Darshan from BCA Course 6-7 and today our team has created a vending machine which is a semi-automatic vending machine in which there is a functionality that there are the multiple items which have been stored in the vending belt and we will trigger the ball to the downward and then the servo motor will generate the ball and the owner, the person can get their product. For that, we have the different source code. We have programmed it into the block programming language, and this is the source code which can be explained by the leader.
So here we have firstly declared all the variables that we are needed. After that, we have declared all the functions that perform separate operations when we trigger or some operations are happening. So here we have defined 1, 2, 3, and 4 functions for different purpose. After that, we have the main program where we have actually calling the function at some circumstances. So here we have a reader sensor that read the sensor about. Here we have a sensor that sense the what object will come here. After that, this program will happen executed. After that, we have a vending machine mechanism that actually perform the vending machine mechanism what it does. After that, we have open gates. So when the object came here, after that our gate is open and then the item will come up. After that, we have the vending machine close up and then our program will execute completely and the function will execute it, and it goes in a loop. That means once one trigger is happened, after that again it create the second trigger. So that's all.
In this program, we have used different sensors such as the ultrasonic sensor for measuring the depth, the distance from the conveyor storage house to the collection point. Then we have used an IR sensor which determines that the object which has been dropped from there has been picked up by the customer. And we have used 2 servo motor to control the conveyor operation as well as the remote gate. That's all from us. Thank you.